Welcome to our tutorial on the belt chain command. Let's right-click and select Edit Sketch. I've got 4 blocks here. These represent wheels. I'm going to activate the belt chain command. Now I will select my pulley components. Number 3 and number 4. To flip the rotation direction, we can use this arrow. To move a member up and down, we can use these arrows. We can also calculate the length of the belt, and we can enter belt thickness as well. Let's say 2 millimeters. If we check Engaged Belt, we can see the belt in action. I'm going to click OK now. Now if I grab and rotate one of the wheels, the rest of the wheels, as you can see, rotate as well with respect to their diameters. Let's right-click and edit belt. Now we'll uncheck Engage Belt and click OK. This time I'm rotating one of the wheels, but the belt does not engage. You can see, by the way, that the blocks aren't constrained. Let's right-click and edit our belt again. We'll activate Engage Belt and click OK. We can also drag and reposition our wheels. But as you see, the length of the belt currently stays constant. Let's right-click and edit our belt again. If I deselect the driving option and click OK, the length of my belt will be able to change. Click OK. This concludes our tutorial on the belt chain command.